Labor is not ruling out supporting changes to Australia's contentious medivac laws if the government can ensure refugees still get the medical care they need. The Home Affairs Minister has revealed dozens of asylum seekers from Manus Island and Nauru have been brought to Australia for treatment.
The Coalition had a strong warning on the medivac bill before it became law.
The reality is that we are expecting an influx of hundreds.
Now, 4 months after the bill passed Parliament with the support of Labor and the crossbench, that figure is yet to be seen.
How many people have been brought under the medivac legislation?
Only just over 30.
Home Affairs Minister Peter Dutton revealing a slight increase in the number of asylum seekers transferred to Australia from Manus Island and Nauru, but still raising concerns about the character of those transferred.
The fact is we've got people who are charged with serious offences on Manus, for example.
Well, I understand
sexual
that,
assault
have
against
any of those
children.
people been brought here is what I'm asking.
Well, I don't know the answer to that question.
The government will attempt to scrap the medivac laws as a first order of business when Parliament resumes in July, a move Labor could consider backing.
And I understand Labor's reconsidering its position now and that they would be open to suggestions about how that bill could be repealed or at the very least wound back.
Labor's Home Affairs spokesperson Christina Keneally not so quick to back down.
Labor supports the medivac bill. Now, if the government have changes they want to put forward to that, they need to explain why. I have no information that would suggest changes are necessary.
Another source of contention? Australia's resettlement deal with the United States. The Home Affairs Minister revealing the agreement to resettle up to 1,250 refugees struck by Malcolm Turnbull and Barack Obama has almost played out.
I don't think we'll get to the 1,250 because there's been quite, over 300 that have been rejected by the United States for various reasons.
And if that is the case, what is he going to do about it?
An area that both sides of politics can agree on is the future of controversial union boss John Setka, who's under pressure to resign over his alleged disparaging comments about Rosie Batty. The Australian Workers' Union adding its voice to calls for Mr Setka to resign.
Well, union leaders are incredibly privileged to hold high office. Very few people in this country ever get the opportunity to do that. And with that privilege comes a set of expectations. Those expectations have clearly been breached, and the most appropriate thing to do as a trade union leader is to step down and resign.
But John Setka's CFMMEU members are still backing their leader. And with that position elected by those members, it appears a defiant John Setka isn't going anywhere just yet. Stella Todorovic, Sky News.